Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. This is Tawhid Mia from HMTMCSE.com. Today we are going to learn how to install git-bash in Windows system. Okay, for that we will going to follow our instruction from HMTMCSE.com. I will put this link into the video description. So let's see. This is the process of how to install git-bash. For that we have to download the git-bash first. I'm clicking on this link. Okay, it came here for the download git-bash. If I click on this, it will start download. Here you are seeing that it started download. So wait until the download will finish. I'm canceling this because I already downloaded the file here in my download directory. Okay, so next thing is the double click on the git bash and allow permission. Okay, let's see what happened. I'm double clicking on this git bash exe file. Okay, it asking me for the permission of to run. Okay, I'm clicking yes. Now here we're going to follow this instruction, clicking on next. This is the various component selection. We can on off various things from here, but I am not doing anything change here. I am just clicking on next. Okay, in this section you can enable experimental support for the sudo console and other things. I am not doing anything here. I'm just clicking on install. Okay, the installation process will take a little bit time. Let's wait until the finish installation process. It taking little bit time. It very obvious. Let's wait until the finish of this installation. Okay, seems the installation going to complete. Okay, the installation completed. From here view release note, I am just uncheck this one and clicking on the launch git bash, then it will automatically launch the git bash here. And then now I'm clicking on finish from here. Okay, see, actually this is the git bash which we are installed for our various work. Okay, and that's all for git bash installation.